Hey everyone, it's Heather with Project Pinup, and today I want to do a quick little tutorial on how I make my own eye pins. Now, there's several ways to do it. You can get the regular round nose pliers with some cutters, or you can do the one-step looper tool by BeadSmith. Now, I prefer to do the old school way of just using the round nose pliers. I feel like the one-step looper tool actually wastes a lot of material if you are making quite a bit of jewelry like I do. So, all right, let's go ahead and get started. These are just some examples, so I'll set them out of the way. Now, I save all of my wire as well after I make jewelry because I order the really long eye pins and even head pins, and I'm not gonna use all this for just one little tiny bead. So I just cut what I need and then I'll reuse it for another bead when I'm making necklaces and other jewelry and stuff. So let's set that aside. So now I'm going to take my round nose pliers. I'm going to grip the end of the wire and just slowly turn it until it meets the other side. Now I grip the side of the wire and then I turn it so that it has a little bend, just like that. And voila, there's no trimming or anything until I get to the other side when I actually do the bead, and I'll show you that as well. So now let's do the one-step bead looper. So you just follow the directions on the box. You put the wire all the way through till it hooks on the other end. Right in here there's like a little tiny hole to catch the wire, and go ahead and close it. Now I have pretty small hands. Look how huge this handle is. Like, seriously guys, women are mostly the ones who are using this, unless you're a professional jeweler, you just do the old school method. But I mean, this is ridiculous. So when I take it out, it's not even closed. What the heck? Like, how annoying. As many times as I tried using this, I tried different methods and everything, and it never closes properly. So now I have to go back and I have to get my own tools and fix the dang thing. Oh geez. So I recently got my nails done and I just can't work with them. It just drives me crazy. So, alright. So there, I closed it on my own. Again, still had to use my own, method that I normally use. So, so this is the BeadSmith one. Now, also, this does not like smaller eye pins, so like smaller wire. Like if I have a really tiny like bicone bead or whatever, I can still use this and do my eyes on the other side, on each side, and not really waste a lot. Now with this guy, he doesn't like it because I can only stick it in so much of a way, and see, that's all that they waste that. So it's kind of annoying, and I hate wasting material, so I try and use as much as I can. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some beads. Sorry, my chair is like super squeaky. Okay, so this one is the BeadSmith. Go ahead and put your bead on there. Now I'm gonna try doing it again, and it doesn't get as flush as I would like it. Close it and see how it's still open. I just feel like you have to do a lot of finessing with this thing. So that's the BeadSmith. Let me put him over here so I know which one's which. Okay, this one was mine. Go ahead. Put mine here. I'm gonna get my nippers. Now I normally don't measure mine because I've been doing this for, gosh, like 10 years. And so I kind of know where to cut, but turn that around. Sorry, I'm a little shaky. I've had too much coffee today. And there we go. Okay, so this is the BeadSmith. I'll show you. This one's mine. And this is the BeadSmith. Now, it just felt like it took way more time to do this one than it did to this one. I mean, I can sit here, you know, for a couple hours and pump out hundreds of these guys, you know, and this one I feel like I won't get the efficiency as I normally do with my regular method. So, alright guys, well, I hope you liked that tutorial, and please like and subscribe if you want to see more jewelry tutorials like this and other pinup retro fashion videos. So, alright guys, thanks, bye.